Let's restore this destroyed Mercedes SLR McLaren. First, we're gonna take it apart. Clean the rust from the wheel holders. I cleaned it using dish soap and a wire brush. Now we're gonna clean up the interior piece. I'm gonna be installing these wheels. The tires were originally white, but I painted them with a black paint marker. The axles are a bit too long, so we're gonna create our own custom axles using plastic sheathing from a paper clip to keep the wheels in place. Now let's cut the axles in half and install the wheels. Trim off these parts on the interior piece, so it'll fit perfectly when put back together. Wheels roll pretty well. Now it needs new paint. Let's strip the existing paint off first. Wait for the paint to strip overnight and then take it out and scrub the paint off with a wire brush. Now we're gonna sand it down. Remember to file down any imperfections in the casting. Keep sanding it down. All sanded down and ready for paint. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll paint it.